Almsgiving is good. Each one must give alms to the needy people. Since Jesus talks about fasting, let us reflect a little more about fasting. Muslims fast, you know. Whole day they do not take anything, not even water. They fast. Hindus also fast. Some on Mondays, some on Thursdays, and so on. For us Catholics, officially we have only 2 days in the year to fast: Ash Wednesday and Good Friday. But our fast is so easy, so easy. Officially the church says those who are below 18 and those who are above 60 did not fast. Then the church rule says you have 1 meal per day and morning and evening have little. Is it too difficult? But are people finding Ash Wednesday and Good Friday is a burden because we have to fast, we have to abstain from meat?